Meta just shipped a coding AI that's almost free. The catch? You pay for it with your code. It's called MuseCode. It lives in your terminal, installs with one command, and it's Meta's straight-faced answer to Claude Code and OpenAI's codecs. Under the hood is a new model called MuseSpark 1.2. Zuckerberg would like a word with your codebase. Now, if you were on YouTube at all this week, you saw the exact same thumbnail 10 times over. Meta kills Claude Code. The 10-cent AI that changes everything. Big red arrows, exploding head emojis. You know the look. So let's skip the hype for 5 minutes and actually look at what shipped. Let's start with the stuff that's actually cool, because there's some legit engineering here. And honestly, it's not even the model. It's the system built around it. You hand MuseCode one big job. Instead of a single AI slowly typing, it splits the work across several agents running at the same time. Each one gets its own private copy of the project so they don't trip over each other. One plans, one writes, one reviews. It's less of an assistant and more of a small, cheap engineering team that never asks for a raise. And it's built to not lose your work. Every move gets written down before it runs. If the thing crashes halfway through rearranging your app, it picks up right where it left off instead of leaving you a smoking crater. Add a memory big enough to hold an entire codebase at once and on paper. That's a real tool, not just a demo. All right, now let's talk about the price, because that's where the real catch is. The normal plan costs about $1.25 per million input words and $4.25 for output. Reasonable. Competitive. But nobody makes a video about reasonable. The hype is about the other plan. There's a discounted tier, reportedly as low as 10 cents in, 20 out, which is absurdly cheap. Cheaper than basically anything serious. And here's how they got it that low. On that tier, Meta gets to use your activity to, quote, improve its products. Which is a lovely way of saying, your code becomes their training data, so read that back slowly. The cheapest AI coder on the market is cheap because you are not the customer. You are the ingredient. For a weekend project? Honestly, who cares? Let Meta learn how badly you name your variables. But for your startup's private repo, the thing your whole company is built on, that 10 cents starts looking pretty expensive. So before you go canceling your subscriptions, no, this is not the Claude killer the internet promised. Meta says MuseSpark scored an 83 on one coding test. Sounds amazing, until you notice that's Meta's own number, on Meta's own setup. On independent benchmarks, the ones nobody's paying for, it does not beat Claude. It's close. It's just not king. But close is the entire point. The pitch was never smarter than Claude. It's almost as good for a fraction of the price. If a model gets you 80 or 90% of the way there and costs a tenth as much, the question stops being which one wins the benchmark and becomes how much can I actually get done before I run out of budget? That is a very uncomfortable question for the labs charging premium money. So here's the honest version. MuseCode is a genuinely smart piece of engineering with a genuinely aggressive price and one big string attached. Use the normal tier, and it's just another strong coding agent in a crowded terminal. Use the 10-cent tier, and you're trading your code for the discount, which is fine for toys and terrible for secrets. The free lunch is real, you're just on the menu. That's the signal. The rest is noise. Subscribe if you want it before everyone else. See you next runtime.